Well, what's going on, everybody? So I put my Commander 3 up where my SPSR used to be, and we're gonna do a little fire alarm test. And right here we got my smoke alarm. I got a battery for it yesterday. Now we're gonna test that thing right there. I'm not going to tell you what sound or what candela it's on. You're going to have to figure that out yourself. Felicity. So yep, it's on temporal code 3, low volume, and the strobe is set to 15 candela. So, well, unfortunately, Jonathan came to my house this morning. He messed around with my fire alarm. Apparently, while I was asleep, my speaker strobe, well, he came over and he vandalized it. So now I gotta get a new speaker strobe. In the meantime, I put my Commander 3 up. So this fire alarm I'll have temporarily on my wall until I get my speaker strobe back, because I'm supposed to be getting a new speaker strobe soon. But until then, we have my Commander 3. So hopefully you enjoyed the video, and we'll test the smoke alarm again for you. Felicity red.